I uploaded a photo of myself, typed one sentence, and got these two results in about 20 seconds. That's not a stock photo. That's AI, using my face, my prompt, my brand. Today I'm giving you a full tour of OpenArt, what it can do, how it works, and whether it's actually worth using for content creators and digital entrepreneurs. Let's go. OpenArt is an all-in-one AI creative platform. Images, videos, characters, audio, lip sync, background replacement, everything in one place, browser-based, nothing to install. What makes it different from something like Midjourney or DALL-E is that it's not just one model. You actually get to choose which AI model powers each generation. And for most tools, you also control the quality setting. So you have real control over the output, not just a black box. Let me start with image generation, which is what I just showed you. You describe what you want. You can upload a visual reference. In this case, I uploaded my own photo, and OpenArt generates based on that. The key thing here is the model selector. Right now, I'm using GPT Image 2, but you can switch between models depending on what you need. Some are better for photorealism, some for illustration styles, some for specific aesthetics. You choose. You also set the output ratio, square, landscape, portrait, and the quality level. Low quality is fast and cheap on credits. Higher quality takes longer, but the detail is noticeably better. For a YouTube thumbnail or a course banner, this alone saves you a stock photo subscription and hours in Canva. There's also image variations. You take an existing image and generate alternatives. Same vibe, different composition, different lighting. Useful when you like the direction but want more options before committing to a thumbnail or a hero image. Now let's look at video. This is where OpenArt gets serious. You've got multiple video generation tools, text to video, image to video, Smart Shot for cinematic stills, the story feature for full sequences, same principle as images. You pick your model. Seedance, Kling, and others are available depending on what you're generating. Each has different strengths for motion quality, duration, and prompt accuracy. For course creators or digital entrepreneurs, imagine generating a 10-second promo clip for a new module or a social media ad without filming anything. That's what this enables. This one is interesting for anyone building a brand. Consistent character lets you define a visual persona and then reuse it across every image or video you generate. Same face, same style every time. For faceless channels, for multilingual content where you're not always on camera, or for anyone building an AI-driven brand, this solves the biggest problem with AI generation, which is that every output looks slightly different. This locks it in. A few more tools worth knowing: replace background, swap the scene behind any subject, VFX, mask and regenerate parts of an image, and lip sync. Upload a face and audio, and it animates the mouth to match. All model selectable, all quality adjustable. This is the full suite, and again, free plan gets you in the door. I went through all of this on the free plan. You get credits when you sign up, enough to test every major feature and see if it fits your workflow. If you're a content creator, a course creator, or a digital entrepreneur who needs visuals without a production budget, this is worth 20 minutes of your time to explore. Link is in the description. Free to start, no credit card required. Try it and let me know in the comments what you end up generating. If this walkthrough was useful, like the video. It genuinely helps. See you in the next one.